Once upon a time, in a small mountain village, there lived an old monk. One day, a young man named Sam went to the monk and asked, Master, how can I set the right goals and stay motivated to achieve them? The monk smiled and said, Follow me, Sam. They went to a quiet clearing stood in the forest through the village. In the center of the clearing stood there was an old archery target. The monk gave a bow and a single arrow to the Sam and said, Sam, shoot the arrow to the bullseye. Before you shoot, close your eyes and visualize the target. See the bullseye clearly in your mind. Sam closed his eyes and imagined a perfect shot. After that, the monk said, Now open your eyes and release the arrow. Sam opened his eyes and shot the arrow, but it missed the target. He looked at the monk, expecting disappointment, but the monk smiled and said, This target represents your goal, Sam. To hit it, you must see it clearly in your mind and focus with unwavering intent. The right goals are like that bullseye. They align with your true self. Motivation is like the strength of your bow. It comes from within the clarity and the meaning of your goals. If your goal is true to you, your motivation will remain strong. You can be failed many times, but you must stay focused on your goals. Now try again, Sam. Focus on the process, not just the result. Trust that each attempt brings you closer to your goal. Sam took a deep breath and focused. After that, he shot the arrow again. This time, it flew closer to the center. The monk smiled and said, Remember, Sam, the journey is just as important as the destination. Set your goals with purpose and let your motivation guide you through each step. So, Sam returned home with newfound wisdom. He understood that setting the right goals meant aligning them with his true self, and staying motivated came from within, driven by a clear and meaningful purpose. My dear friends, in this story, Sam learns from the monk that setting the right goals requires clarity, alignment with one true self, and internal motivation. Focusing on the process rather than just the outcome, it allows you to grow, learn, and enjoy the journey toward your goals. Set goals that align with your true self and stay motivated by focusing on the journey and the purpose behind your goals. Thank you. This is the Smart Wisdom.